Built this a while back just for my pit bike play stuff. This is actually a old hospital bed. I built it into a little lift table. Pretty sweet. Because I'm a redneck. Now don't judge my cleanliness. I ain't used this in a while. But check her out. I do have one little kink. She'll pop on the way down. Uh-oh. I think my stick... Wait, I'm hitting the wrong damn way. That one goes that way. Oh, fuck, I'm hitting my bike. Oh, shoot, I had it backwards. Loaded it from that side. That's what I forgot. It'll go all the way down, stuck on the litter box. Today, we cleaned this son of a gun out and get her straightened out. I want it to look like Adam's garage. His shit's all pretty. It ain't gonna look like that. I'm not that guy, but I like that guy. Anyway, that's some redneck shit. I need to fix that one adjustment because right there it pops, which is all stock hospital stuff. It's gonna flip right there. That's it, man. My lift table. Oh, by the way, I have no money in this. I got the bed free. This is actually a rack off of a shelf. And then the plywood I got at my old job. So, waterproof plywood. Anyway, this is me. I'm redneck as a motherfucker. I got red hair too. Later.